I analyzed 27 million cold emails. These 6 things drive replies. Want to triple the replies from your cold outreach? Give me a couple of minutes and I'll break it down to you. This isn't a theory, it's based on real data from 27 million cold emails sent through Woodpecker. Now, we saw the mistakes over and over, so we dug into the numbers to find out what actually works. Here are the 6 cold email tactics that consistently drive replies. Let's jump in. First up, subject lines. Shorter wins. Emails with 10 to 19 character subject lines had the highest reply rates, up to 1.5%. Compare that to 50-60 character subject lines, which dropped below 1%. Why? Because short equals curiosity. It gets opened. Try subject lines like quick idea, question for you, your sales team, and think how can you make them a bit more relevant, a bit more personalized. We covered this topic in our older video, check it out here. In general, avoid long spammy subject lines. Always keep it simple. Number 2, timing of follow-ups. The first emails matters the most. The first message typically sees a median reply rate of 1%. Follow-ups can work, but after the third email, reply rates drop to just 30% of the original impact. So what's the takeaway? Don't save the best for later. Put your strongest value up front, show you've done your research and make it personal. And never open with, "Hi, I hope this email finds you well." Don't do that anymore. Number 3, smaller segmented campaigns. Stop blasting thousands of people. Campaigns sent to less than 50 people got 3 times more replies than big lists of more than 1,000 people. Why? Because smaller equals more targeted. You can personalize better, you can create a more relevant subject line and stay out of spam folders. Think sniper, not shotgun. Build tight lists, focus on your ICP, segment by role, industry or use case. One thing that can help you is a tool designed to find real leads with proper filtering. Number 4, send fewer emails per inbox. This one surprises people. Sending no more than 20 emails per inbox per day gets you 4 times more replies than sending more than 100. Yep, less is more. When you hammer 100 plus emails a day from one address, you kill your deliverability. Your emails go to spam or don't get delivered at all. It's not 2020 anymore and the rules have changed. So what's the fix? Warm up inboxes, use multiple accounts, keep volume low and human, and if possible, for the love of God, have some backup infrastructure. This helps you navigate around any deliverability issues right away, rotating mailboxes in and out. Tools like Woodpecker can create such infrastructure for you so you can have it all in one place, and that's what being up to date means in 2025. Number 5, monitor your bounce rate. Let's talk about the bounce rates. Emails that bounce, so rejected contact attempts, tank your sender reputation. This can happen due to a variety of reasons, but usually it's linked to your sender's reputation or the quality of your lead list. If you keep your bounce rate under 2%, your reply rate could improve by over 60%. So, before you hit send, use email verification tools. Always clean your list before sending. Think of it like this: clean list equals better reach equals more replies. Number 6, best time to send. Finally, when you send matters. Weekdays get steady replies. Weekends, reply rates drop by 38%, but weekend emails face less competition. So for specific industries, that might actually be a win. My advice, start with Tuesday to Thursday and then A/B test different days and times to see what works best for your audience. Don't be scared of experimenting and making changes during your outreach. This is how you improve. So here is your 6-step cheat sheet to better cold emails. Short subject lines, a killer first email, small segmented lists, low daily volume per inbox, clean lists and low bounce rates, smart sending times. These 6 tweaks alone can change the game for your cold outreach. Want to send smarter cold emails? Woodpecker is the tool behind all this data. It validates your emails before you send them and also can help you rotate your inbox if you want to try sending from multiple inboxes. Okay guys, if you want to share what tip you will try first, let's chat in the comments. And for now, thanks for watching and see you the next time. Bye.